Zero.
Cash. Therefore, mataas din. Mataas. Like, let's say, for example, a cash is 100. Okay, 100. Therefore, naliwan na 200 is to 50. Mag-increase mo para sa iyo hindi. Mag-increase. Affected, hindi. Dili, affected. Na naman. Inubat, payable is long term. Dili affected.
Huh?
O sa may tabuan decrease, increases.
In decrease, we made.
Forward over decrease. Increase. This is more or less 4 is to 3.